The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel, it's a closed cylindrical vessel, of height 1 meter is 15.4 liters. So we are dealing with a cylinder, and in this cylinder the capacity is given. Capacity means volume. So volume of this cylinder is given as 15.4 liters, and the height is given as 1 meter. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Now we have the height of the cylinder here. This is the height. We always require the radius. These are the two dimensions you require of a cylinder: the radius and the height. We have the height, we don't have the radius. Instead, we have the volume. Now to recollect, you know volume of cylinder, the formula for volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. So we're going to start with that. Volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. Now the volume is given here as 15.4, but remember it is 15.4 liters. It's 15.4 liters, and we cannot work in liters. We have to work in meter cube because everything is given in meters. Your height is given as 1 meter. So let's convert the 15.4 liters into meter cube. To do this, we must remember that 1000 liters equal to 1 meter cube, which means if we want to change liters to meter cube, we need to divide by 1000. So we do that. We have 15.4 liters equal to how many meter cubes? 15.4 divide by 1000, then you get meter cube. So here when we do the sum, we are going to put 154 divide by 1000 because we needed to change it to meter cube. And your pi is 22 by 7. You have r square. You have your h as 1, which is given here, and then you start working it out. 15.4 over 1000 equal to 22 by 7 r square into 1. Now to remove this decimal, I'll just put it out to here again. To remove this decimal here, there's one decimal place, so I multiply it by 10. And here I have equal to 22 by 7 r square. So my r square is 154 over 1234 into 7 by 22, and the r square works out to be 0.0049. Let's continue. So r square is 0.0049. So your r will be under root of 0.0049. So the problem is our decimal. Let's remove our decimal. How many decimal places are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we make 1, 2, 3, 4 under root. And now you know this will be 7 over 100. Or I can do 7 square over 100 square. So your r would be, I'll continue it on the other side here, is 7 over 100 meters. So this is important. 7 over 100 meter is your r. Now we're not done with the sum. Now we continue. Where did we stop? We stopped saying that r equal to 0.07 meters. So here if you notice, we need to cover these two areas. One area is this yellow one and the other is the green one. So both these areas together will give us the TSA. So we have to add up both these. And we know the green one is pi r square here plus another pi r square here, and that would be 2 pi r square. And the yellow one we know is the CSA. This is the CSA here, which is equal to 2 pi RH. So it is 2 pi RH. So the TSA, put it in another brighter color, the TSA is 2 pi r square, 2 pi RH. 2 pi and r common out. So 2 pi r common out, r plus h. We put our values, 2 into 22 by 7. We calculated a r out here, which was 0.07. 0.07. Your h was 1 meter. That was given to us, 1 meter as the h. And then we do this calculation. You will get 44 by 7 into 0.07, 1.07, and on this calculation you'll get 0.4708 meter square. So in this, the TSA, remember when you want to find the TSA, it's a closed cylinder. So we have to find the TSA, which is got three surfaces.